Hello everyone, my name is Marina Maniati. I'm a business consultant with vast experience in European funding projects as well as in investments and project management. I collaborate with Opesh Group and especially with Mr. Opesh Singh in order to develop business opportunities for Indian exporters in African countries. I hope that this extremely interesting initiative will create more synergies and you will see the opportunities you may get through your participation as we see them to gather all stakeholders and to learn how you may expand your business abroad.